Hi folks, welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. So this week I've been wrapping up the work I've been doing on the forest race. I've been doing a lot of design work for them, a lot of drawing of potential characters and different styles that they could maybe look like, and just developing that area a bit more along the lines of the story and what the people are all about. So as I say, this is wrapping up this week. This is the last day of the block that I'm allocating to developing them. It's something that I'm going to come back to at some stage later in the future, but for now I'm going to be moving on to the mountain race and developing them out a bit more, and the storyline in their area as well. So let's take a look at what I've been doing this week. First of all, I've got some various designs for how the different people within the forest race can potentially look. I've got a row of generic males along the top and a row of generic females in the middle, and then at the bottom just a quick design of their village elder. And then I also have some designs for some children of the village, and these 4 children in particular will be getting up to some mischief and being in places that they shouldn't be, and that ultimately leads to some plot development, which I may divulge at a later date, or you might just have to wait to play the game to find out. But I was quite happy with the plot development that I was able to get out of them, so I'm really pleased with how that's turned out. And then finally, I've been trying to establish a colour scheme for this species. They draw a lot of inspiration from goats and sheep, so I felt it was fitting to take the various sort of fur colours of goats and sheep and apply it to them and see how that looks. So I've got a sort of cross section of some of the designs that I came up with, as you can see here. So I'd love to know what you think, if there's any of these that you really like, or if there's a particular colour scheme that you think might be suitable. So that's it for this week. As I said earlier, I'm now moving on to developing the mountain race a bit more, so I'll be working on that for the next month. Really looking forward to sharing my progress with you in that. Any feedback that you want to give, just drop it down below. I'll make sure to reply, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.